Good morning, friends. It's another beautiful day in the US of A, and I have stopped off en route to Nevada to check out a bit of old Route 66. We're currently in the town of Seligman, which is very historically linked to Route 66. And we're going to check out a few of the roadside attractions that would have pulled people in many years ago and still pull people in today. So let's check them out. This place is great. Proper old school Americana. Roadside attractions, gift shop, the whole shebang. This is just what I think of when I think of Route 66. This place apparently has some bikes out the back that Dad wants to look at. Oh! I was not expecting to see this stuff in here. That's awesome. Is that a T? No. What is this? This is a T. That's beautiful. Oh, it's a Model A. 1928. 350 horsepower. With a 32 grille. They've done a bit of modification. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. That is a nice piece of machinery. Ooh, got some British in here from '66.
I like the RZA.
The RZA. Which one's that? Oh yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. Is that what you want for your head? Down this road is the barbershop owned by a guy called Angel Delgadillo, who is instrumental in rejuvenating Route 66 to its former glory and inspiring people to maybe take a road less travelled. There's a handsome fella. Oh yeah, he has got feathered feet. He's a little feathered friend, aren't you? If you're not quite familiar with the story of Route 66, basically it used to be the only way to cross America from Chicago, I think, to Santa Monica in Los Angeles. And when they built I-40 in the 70s, a lot of these towns pretty much stopped trading overnight because people were just taking the interstate rather than taking 66. That's why the guy Angel Delgadillo, who we just saw in there, started this association to preserve these towns and to get people back into them again. He really rejuvenated the place. course, if you want a very potted history of what happened Route 66, you can watch the Pixar movie Cars, which is kind of allegorical about the whole bypassing of the small towns thing. It's interesting. I love this place. Welcome to Kingman, Arizona! So glad places like this still exist, keeping people coming to the old Route 66, the old America, rather than just driving past it at 70 miles an hour trying to get to wherever they're actually going. It's cool, I like it.
That is a bridge and a half. Can we come over that?
That's the one we've just come over.
Yeah. Wow. It's like Europa Bridge, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Woo! Remember seeing those? On the canyon videos? Wall? Yeah.
Hoover Dam tours. I've been excited to go on a Hoover Dam tour with my dad for about 10 years and it's finally happening. Eric, ready to go down? Into the bowels of the earth. Ooh, spooky.
Hi folks.
Hi.
My name is Sarah. I'll be talking to you right here in this spot, and you'll follow Eric on for the rest of your tour. But I want to start off by showing you where we are on this schematic. You guys just dropped into the depths of the earth, right? 537 feet, so we're
ready? Look at that.
standing on the other side of Hoover Dam power plant. Each generator seat is 70 feet tall, 7 stories tall.
Cameras and phones.
It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch-gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. But as the dam expands towards the base, it reaches 660 feet, nearly as thick as it is tall. Feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. That's enough concrete to build a 2-lane highway. She weighs in at a petite 6.6 million tons. As you look over the railing, you will see 6 holes.
I've seen this dam
This is the
a few
valve
times
house.
now, and it never
There are
ceases
2,
to amaze.
one on each side of the dam. It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet. Another example of symbolism, more precisely,
Kind of creepy angel statues, okay. I think the reason I get so into stuff like Hoover Dam and NASA stuff is because the world can be a pretty bad place at times, and sometimes it's nice to remember that there are human beings who are trying to do good things, amazing things, to benefit humankind. It's just really, really comforting to me. We're walking up to the spillway of the dam now. You can see where all the water goes when it's not going through those turbines. So when the level in the lake gets too high and threatens to flood the other parts of the river, they divert it down this slipway, and it goes down this massive hole. That is terrifying to me. Whew. I wish you could get some sort of size comparison. It's not going to do anything. When I was a child, I used to like to make noises under echoey places like this. Ah! Some things never change.
Now children, let's time how long it takes between the initial sound and its rebound.
Alright, do a clap.
Sound travels at 330 meters per second.
At room temperature.
Room temperature. Ah! Imperceptible.
Pretty massive, this thing. So impressive. As the sun starts to set, we're just heading out of the Hoover Dam area. But before we head off to Las Vegas, I just wanted to get one last shot of the dam from up the top of the Memorial Bridge, which is the highest single arch concrete bridge in the world. Welcome to Nevada. Oh, you'd want to be on one of those. This bridge is incredible, and what a way to see the dam. Amazing. Also, the shake when the big rigs go across it is quite terrifying. Like this guy. First time I came here, the bridge wasn't built, and the only way to get across was over the dam. Which probably was was a bit of a security risk in the end, post 9/11. You know what? I look at that and I just want to say, damn! No, seriously, that's awesome. I don't think I'll ever get tired of looking at the Hoover Dam. Great job, America. You have once again exceeded your duty. You can go home and sleep well. I'm not doing the voice. Shut up. What do you think?
It's absolutely outrageous.
Mom? You having some of that?
Right.
We're in St. Mark's Square. Not. We're in the Venetian still. I haven't gone to Italy in the time since I've stopped filming. Don't be silly. Now I'm going to pretend that I want some gelato to get a free sample. For people who've actually been to Venice, what would you say the realism factor is here?
0.
It's not like the real thing.
Is it like the real?
Is it like the real thing?
I'm having trouble to remember where I am today. I'm just so tired. It could be St. Mark's, I could be in Venice, I'm not sure.
Fair enough. Let's get you to bed. I've never been in Vegas when it's been this cool before. It feels wrong, but also nice, because you can actually do things. I mean, granted it is night time, but I could get used to this.